guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I pack my luggage, and I want to give one disclaimer because I will pack a lot of things, and I know the regular backpack road trips are just with one backpack. My road trip will be more like one luggage and two backpacks and several handbags because of my severe back and neck problems. I am not able to travel with just one backpack, and it's also a great excuse, of course, to pack more things with me. Luggage is all empty. Yes, let's just start. So let's just start with packing the cosmetics. Yes, I got a lot of cosmetics, I know, and this is really the minimal from everything I need. So we will see, because this is the heavy part of my whole luggage. Yeah, I'm just going to pack it and we will see if I won't exceed the limit of 23 kilograms. Got shampoo. I have dyed my hair and it is crucial to use the right product. I got this hair mask. Normally I use conditioner too, but for this time I'm only will pack my hair mask. The fragrance Chador Dior. It's just the same fragrance, but it's packed in another package. Body splash from Victoria's Secret, and it's really nice and really great to use it in summertime. I got these cottons, and this is always necessary. Let me see, this is a brush for my hair from Tangle Teaser. This is an anti-insect lotion. It's filled with 50% of DEET, and this is crucial when traveling in South America. I have bought 3 from this lotion just to be sure. Caves. If it happens that I'm not that lucky at all, and if an insect bites me, then I have to put on this lotion. These are my lenses, and I got a liquid for my lenses. And this is shower gel of the Happy Buddha collection of rituals. Nail polish remover. These are pads which I can use. It's very comfortable for traveling. Makeup remover, just for the face, and I also got this one for my eye makeup and lip makeup for washing my face. Deodorants, sunscreen, hair oil from Moroccan oil. I got these 2 face masks, soap for washing my clothes, and cream. With my toothbrush, hand cream, oral spray. This one is for my lenses. So first I packed my products into these bags because I don't want to have any chance of spilling. Products which doesn't have any chance of spilling, I just put it them on top of the other products which were in the vacuum bags. And we're done with packing cube number 1. I will pack my clothes, and I really had to think which clothes I had to pack for Chile, because it was when I was searching on the internet, they had like spring, summer and autumn seasons in one day, and it could be very chilly or very sunny, so I had packed for several seasons. And I will show you my trousers. One light blue trousers, which I will bring with me. This one black trousers. This is when I want to feel comfortable. One high-waisted black shorts. One blue denim shorts. This dress. black dress which I will be wearing underneath the red dress. One other black shorts. This t-shirt is red cardigan, a summer dress, a cardigan with a flower print, a grey sweater, a black cardigan, and I got the same one which is a grey. I'm going to show you guys my summer clothes, and I got this beautiful beach dress, this jumpsuit, these trousers, black top, this black dress, a red dress, flower dress, this black mesh dress. It's very long, and I got this simple black top, a mustard yellow top, and bring this white crop lace top with me, black and white striped top, cute blue top with polka dots, this blue-white strapless top, white shorts, a denim washed high-waisted shorts, a black skirt, and I got my socks in here, and my underwear, and my bras. Now I will show you guys which activewear I will bring with me. Since I will be hiking in Chile, I will bring a lot of activewear, and it's very handy, it's lightweighted, and it doesn't take that much space in my luggage, and I really like to do sports, so that is why I will bring a lot of activewear with me. I got this black leggings, khaki green one, and it has also details with athletic in short, those dark gray ones. It will come up until the ankle. I got another one in black shorts, purple ones, black tights shorts, gray tights shorts. I got this long sleeves in gray, and this I will wear for the colder days. We will also hike in Peru. I'm going to do the Lakers trek to Machu Picchu, so we will have to see what the weather will be. An Under Armour black tee, other black tee, and a Nike black tee, another dry fit from Nike. Got this tank top, also from Nike. Nike is my favorite activewear brand. Pink top, has an open back, and this one is my last tank top. Activewear bras, I got this one from Nike, and this one from Shock Absorber. I already have this for a long time, so I also have a new one. So I got like 3 activewear bras are very important, especially for hikes. And next on I will show you my bikinis. And I got this one from the Hunkemuller with this bottom, black stripes, white bikini with the bottom, and I think this one is really cute. It's dark blue with the white lace. This is the bottom. I will bring these flip-flops. I think flip-flops are super handy for the beach and for literally everything. And this is what I will take to the beach. It's very long. I will also bring this cap with me. I think this is convenient for my hikes, and it has also an LI detail on the side. White singlet for underneath, 4 of these singlet in the black color. This white top. I got 1 blue striped pajamas with me with long sleeves. And I got this blue lace top pajamas with me. Got this jumping rope. I think it's still important to do sports when I will be traveling. I got these gloves. As you can see, it's a fork, a knife and spoon combined. It's a camping cutlery tool, and it's perfect since it can be used for multiple purposes. A corkscrew, a fork, a bottle opener and can opener, rimmer, all spoon and knife. Then we got this first aid kit, very important. There's all necessary stuff if anything happens during the hikes. Medicines. Tiger balm, just in case if I got backlog of insects. I got this for at the beach, a beach balm. Okay, this is the makeup that I am going to take with me. And I know it's a lot, but I really need it. I'm done with the luggage, so I will pack now this bag. I will start with my shoes, night shoes. I can use it for sports and also for hiking. And these are special mountain shoes for the hikes, and I don't really like the hiking shoes, but it is super necessary to tools to actually go hiking, so yeah, I just gotta do it. And I got this for the sheets in case if it's not so clean, because I will be staying in hostels, and it's always good to have your own sheet with you. Because you got this white jacket, gloves, washing nets, this is a cushion sheet, cappuccino. I really like drinking coffee, so I thought I will bring my own cappuccino with me. I got this flight bag for the whole bag, and this is in case for rain or hazel. I got this washing robe, cards, identifier for my bag. This is for making my cappuccinos. Sleeping mask, sun protector for the lips, makeup remover. But I only use this when it's really hot and sweaty, and I think this is not enough for regular makeup removing. I will use the other cosmetic products in combination with my cotton pads. These are the yellow ones, and the smaller cotton pads is a safe bag. A neck cushion, which is ideal for the airplane. I got my hair accessory in here. This is a little wallet. I got more medicine in here. Not like super special or anything, but I think it's really important to have medicine for malaria and for if food poisoning, you never know. And in here we got jewelry, but it's not that big of a deal. Just earrings, a lot of earrings, and I don't want to take too expensive jewelry with me, but I think it's still nice to wear some of those. I got my little wallet, toothpick, got my sunglasses of Ray-Ban. Really like this one. These are my glasses of Ace and Tate. This is my bag, my Eagle Creek packing cube. For my electronics, I am bringing my camera battery charger with me, and my charger for my iPhone. And this is quite nice. Little locker. I have this microphone for the video, and these are my earphone case, and 2 pens my power bank, got this Polaroid bag, and of course on the inside there's the camera and a book of Yuval Noah Harari. I got this from a cousin, and this is like a little diary. On the 15th of July, they will ask you what did you have done today. Then you can give an answer for today, and then for next year you can give an answer, and then you can see how your answers will change in the years. And I got this bag. This one I will use for my passport. This is the last bag that I am going to pack. This is an anti-theft bag. It's really safe because the locker is here. In this bag is all my GoPro camera and all the gadgets. My last video from my last weeks in the Netherlands, you can see what's inside the bag. And last but not least,
and we're done and off to go. Next week I will be uploading my first travel vlog. Wednesday there will be Santiago video online, and on Sunday I will be uploading my Valparaíso vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Goodbye!